Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting with the last topic of the central bank. Actually, it is not the topic of the central bank, but it has been amalgamated with this topic because it is mentioned in your syllabus. Alright, it is mentioned in your syllabus. In your syllabus, according to your syllabus, we have to discuss demonetization, a brief understanding. Since your syllabus is silent about what things we have to discuss under demonetization, so what we do, we will discuss the meaning of demonetization. Okay, we will discuss the objectives of demonetization, and third, we will discuss the impact of demonetization, impact or its effects of demonetization. But remember one thing, whatever objectives and impacts we will discuss of demonetization, that will be in relation to the demonetization done in India. Okay, demonetization done in India on November 8, 2016. Alright, remember this thing. So we have to discuss three topics in this: meaning, objective, impact and effects. Okay. First of all, let us see what demonetization is. Okay. First of all, see, there is a word attached, D, to a word monetization. To a word monetization. Okay. That means it is something opposite of this word monetization. Demonetization is opposite of the word monetization. So what monetization is? When the government of any country introduces any currency, okay, and asks the people to use that currency for their medium of exchange and makes that currency a legal tender. I have told you what is a legal tender. A legal tender is that money that is announced by the government. Okay, the government says that so and so currency we are announcing and it will be used for the as a medium of exchange. All right, so that particular process is known as monetization. For example, there was monetization of 2000 rupee note. Okay, monetization of 2000 rupee note. There was monetization of 200 rupee note. Okay, if I talk about the time period before 2016, if I talk about 2015, okay, and if someone came with the note of 2000 rupees and 200 rupees, okay, would anyone have accepted that money? Would have anyone accepted that currency? Yes or no? If I talk about before 2015, huh? Speak loudly.
No, sir.
No. Why? Because the government has not legally authorized that currency, has not declared that currency as a legal tender in the economy. Likewise, if I talk about rupee 1000 note, okay, that old rupee 1000 note and rupees 500 note, that old one. If I talk about the time period of 2015, so we would have accepted this 1000 rupee note and 500 rupee note because they were acting as a legal tender. The government has not withdrawn them from the status of the legal tender. Okay, so monetization means announcing any currency or making any currency as a legal tender. Okay, giving the authority, giving the you can say authority of being a legal tender to any currency is known as monetization. Okay, and what is demonetization? It is just opposite of monetization. When the government withdraw any currency from the status of the legal tender, okay, the government says that from so and so time period this from this so and so time, this currency will not be used for exchange purposes. Okay, government seizes that currency to be the legal tender. That is known as your demonetization. Okay, so if I talk about the era after 2016, or if I talk about now, will anyone accept that 1000 rupee note and that old 500 rupee note today? Will anyone accept?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because government has legally withdrawn their status of a legal tender. Okay, the government has said that these notes do not will not act as a legal tender. The Prime Minister himself demonetized these two currency notes from the midnight of 8th of November. Okay, and what we had to do, we had to submit, we have to deposit all this money into the bank till 30th of December 2016, and no exchange was allowed from these old 500 and 1000 rupee note. Okay, after 9th or 10th or 11th of November, no exchange was accepted, except the government has given certain you can say reliefs, like in hospitals no one could have denied accepting this currency for so and so time period, क्योंकि अब किसी के पास हॉस्पिटल में ये नोट्स हैं, उसको किसी का इलाज कराना है, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ, तो गवर्नमेंट ने वहां पे बोल दिया था कि हाँ थोड़े दिन तक इट इज एक्सेप्टेबल. बट जो रियल एक्सचेंज होता है मार्केट में, जो मार्केट ट्रांजैक्शन होते हैं, उनके लिए बिल्कुल नहीं. ऑलराइट, सो have you all understood the meaning of demonetization? It is written in your book that demonetization, when a currency note of particular denomination ceases to be a legal tender, it is termed as demonetization. Alright, that means that particular currency is no longer accepted as the legal tender. Alright.